In preparation for today, you'll need to install the Git SCM and the GitHub CLI. There are links in the description below. The main goal today is to gain some familiarity with the GitHub CLI. We'll begin by opening a command prompt and opening it to a directory that we feel comfortable working in. For me, that's going to be cdev non-0 days. To begin, we'll create a repository in GitHub using the GitHub CLI. We'll do that via the following command: gh repo create, and then followed by the name of the repository. For today, I suggest using GitHub-CLI as the name. And since I'm going against a repository, I'll preface it with non-0 days / GitHub CLI. And then we'll accept the defaults for each of the following. I want it in public. I do want that. Again, and voila, we have our repository and a directory that we can navigate to. You'll note the previous command actually cloned down that repository that we just created as well. So we can create a file and then upload that right away to the GitHub repository. Let's do that now. In command prompt, we'll just echo some text to a file. And then if we look in the directory, we'll see, we do have a text.txt. Then we'll do a simple Git SCM workflow to add and push that. Once again, pushing directly to master works great if you're a solo developer, but if you want to work within a team, often you'll want to work against a branch. So the next thing we'll do is check in some changes against a branch and create a pull request. We'll check out a new branch using the checkout-b flag. I'm going to name my branch non-0 days branch. So that's the entire point of this branch. Then we can go ahead and make a change. In this case, I'm just creating another text. Check that. It's there. Awesome. Let's go ahead and add it, commit it, and push it to the branch. Great, we've got that going to the branch. All right, so we pushed our branch with our new text file, and we want to create a pull request. We'll do that with the following GitHub CLI command: gh pr create. We have to give it a title and a body. There's a few other flags you can use, but those will be the two that we start with today. So -- title, and we added a text file. And then the body. It's definitely an important text file, so we should illustrate that with words. There we go. Note the highlighted link here. If I give that to a coworker, they can look at that pull request, review it, and determine if it should be accepted or not. Let's open that real quick and take a look. And this is that pull request experience that we're familiar with from a previous exercise. All right, let's suppose that our pull request was reviewed and approved, and now it's our job to go back and merge that in. We can do that with the following command. So we're doing the GitHub CLI, pull request, merge. We're going to specify what branch we want to merge in and then how we want to merge it. So non-0 days, branch, and then I want to squash it. That means move all of those commits to a single commit for the purpose of history. And we did it. Note that it also deleted the branch and switched us back to master. Today we covered the following Git and GitHub CLI workflows without using the browser experience. We created a repository, committed to main, committed against a branch, created a pull request, and merged a pull request. If you have time, consider reviewing the GitHub CLI for more commands. You can do that with gh --help. If not, congrats on a non-0 day.